Hello, welcome. In this video we're going to look at the Paisen tenor 26-inch Rosewood ukulele. I'm going to do a playing test for you and we'll take a look at all the accessories it comes with. First of all, let's take a look at this really nice bag. It's padded. There is a pocket that zips. Very nice. Very nice. I actually kind of like how the design is a little bit like angular. You know, it's not quite your typical ukulele shape. So that's kind of nice, kind of quirky and different. Full disclosure, I have actually unboxed this at my school just because I was excited and I wanted to get it tuned and sounded good for this video. So I've opened this a couple of days ago. So let's just take a look at what stuff is inside. First of all, it's got a strap. That is nice. It's nice when something comes with a strap. I'd say it's about 50-50 that new ukuleles come with a strap. Usually more expensive ones don't, but beginner models like this do, and that's great because that's a really good way to know if it's going to help you to have one. You know, if it comes with one, if you're not sure you want to make a separate investment. So having a strap is really nice. We've got a little baggie of goodies. There is a little tutorial book. Let's see what's in it. I haven't looked at this. This is actually kind of nice. It shows you how to play songs, like do finger picking songs on this instrument, and it's got a bunch of common chords. So that's really cool. By the way, a tenor ukulele is the biggest size in this tuning, the GCEA tuning. It has more frets than a concert or soprano size. You'll see how big it looks. Comes with a capo, which is nice because you can play in any key. I like capos. I am not a capo purist that is like, you can play any chord because there's only 4 strings. No, play things in a way that makes it easier for you to play them. Don't make things harder for yourself if you can make it easy for yourself. Like, it's not like I'm lazy, but my personal philosophy is I don't want things to be a barrier to enjoying music making. So capos are great for that. Looks like it comes with a pick. It's pretty thin. I don't really use picks, but that option is there, which is nice. We have a set of Aquila strings to replace a string in case you break one, so that is nice to have that spare set, especially if you're giving this to a kid, because you know kids, they like try to tune an instrument and they just end up like cranking it and then they break it. That's how it works. It's nice to have a spare. Oh, we got more picks. So we got about 4 picks, different colors. Again, I'm not a big pick user, but you know, maybe you are. We have a tuner. I love it. I love when the instrument comes with a tuner. Oh my goodness. I feel like this should be the standard now. Like most instruments come with tuners now. Most ukuleles come with tuners now. But back when I was first learning to play, I had to get a separate one, and it was hard because I always tuned by ear or by the frets, but that's not always true to tone or true to temperament, I guess I should say. All right, this is what the tuner looks like. Comes with the battery, so I'll put that in. This tuner is really nice. I don't think I have seen a tuner quite like this. It's got a horizontal display. So let's take a look. I don't know if that's too close or not close enough, but it goes up to 50 cents sharp or flat, which is really cool because that, you know, that means that it's going to be a little bit more accurate, or in terms of like how close you are to the note that you're trying to get to. And then you have settings and it actually says the whole word, which is kind of cool, instead of just like a G and you're left to guess. But it says guitar, bass, ukulele, violin, and then of course a chromatic tuner. So that's always nice if you wanted to tune your instrument in a different way. That option's there for you. So very cool. And now for the actual instrument itself. Here it is. So take a look at this. It's pretty cool. It's made of rosewood, which is a little bit different. A lot of instruments, a lot of ukuleles are made of mahogany or different types of wood. So this is rosewood. It's got really high quality tuners that will definitely stay in place and be protected from the elements. I like it when they're covered like that. Cute little koi decoration, and I really like this trim. Let's take a look, see if we can get a good shot of that trim. It's really pretty. I haven't had anything that decorated. So yeah, here it is. So it's a tenor ukulele. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 frets. So that's what makes it a tenor. It's got more frets, and it's a little bit longer than your concert or soprano ukulele. I will say that I was surprised when I opened it. I think it's a little bit smaller than I was expecting, only because the tenor ukulele that I'm used to playing is this size. So mine has a bigger body and just overall like bigger construction. Doesn't make one not a tenor or the other. It's just different. And there can be advantages to either kind of size. Let's put the strap on and get to a little playing test. All right, so here we go. Honestly, one thing that I will say is I do really like this size. I like the spacing of the frets for a tenor ukulele. That's just easier for my hands, and it's just what I'm used to. But it's honestly like not so small that it's like hard for me to strum also. So it fits really comfortably for me. I'm about 5'7". I don't know if that makes a difference. You want to reference that. Let's play a little bit. Honestly, the projection is it's a lot more than I expected, and I like that I can hear the tones. You know what I mean? I feel like I can hear, it's less about like the sound of my nails striking on the strings, and it's more the actual sound of the strings and what sound they make. That's really nice. So yeah, overall it's really, really comfortable to play. I think that's because the neck is really nice and thin. For my hand, I feel like it's really easy. To me, I think the action is really nice. It's not very hard to play those half bar chords. I like the sound. I think it's a great starter ukulele, and honestly, if it's something that you want to invest in, it could take you pretty far. I think that something built like this can take you pretty far, sounding pretty good for a long time. So yeah, I recommend it. I like it a lot. So this instrument is on Amazon. I'll put the link, an affiliate link, below in the description of this video. If you're interested in getting it or you end up buying it, let me know what you think of it. So I'd love to hear that. Until next time, stay mindful, stay musical, and stay at a treble.